How to schedule email in Gmail. So in order for us to be able to schedule email in our Gmail, we're just going to go ahead and try to compose a new mail. So yep, just go ahead and try to fill in everything as how you would normally do so. So say for example, this is the content of my email. So I can just go ahead and click this one right here. And then you should be able to see here schedule send. So just click that one. So after clicking that one, what is going to happen is that you're going to click this one here in order for you to be able to pick the date and time. So say for example, I'm going to do this for next week. So next Tuesday. And then what you're going to do is basically type here manually the time, for example, 8 a.m. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to write here just like so. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click schedule send just like so. And then if you're going to click view, you should be able to see it in here. So it is scheduled for Tuesday, August 20, 8 a.m. And then if you say, for example, want to see it, you can just click the schedule message in order for you to be able to see all of your scheduled emails. And yeah, that is how you're going to get this done.